Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In SQL join series, today we are going to discuss about the full outer join. In the past few sessions, we discussed about inner join, right join, left join, as well as we discussed about the anti join. We discussed both the left anti join and the right anti join. So in today's session, we will discuss about the full outer join, why we use the full outer join. We will discuss some of the use cases as well as the query and syntax for the full outer join. So let's start with the today's session. So for that I'm creating a new query here and we will discuss about the full outer join. So basically join is used to combine two or more table using a related column that we have already discussed. But what it returns is different for every types of join. So for we discuss right join, left join, anti-join. For everything, what it returns is different. Then for a full outer join, it return all the rows from both the table. So we have already created the two table name as the employee and department. So employee table is having employee ID, employee name and the department ID. And this department IDs belongs to the department table where you can see the department related information. So in the department table, we have the department name. So this is the related column between both the table. This is the common column. And using this column, we are connecting this two table. So in full outer join, it return all the rows from both the table. So let's see what exactly the output we will get in the case of the full outer join. So let's start with the employee table first. So first record is the Alice, which belongs to the department ID 10. So the department ID 10 means department name is HR. So basically in the output, I'm just expecting two columns. I just put the two column name which is coming from the employee and the department name is coming from the department table. So let's write the output what we will get. So this is the full outer join. So the first output we will get is the Alice which belongs to the department HR. So we will get all the record, both the matching as well as don't match record as well. Then the next record is the Bob. Bob belongs to department ID 20. So 20 department ID means department name is the IT. So that will come as the next record. So Bob and the department name is the IT. Then the next record is the Charlie. Next employee is the Charlie who belongs to the department ID 30. Do we have the 30 department ID here? Yes. And it belongs to the marketing department. So Charlie is from the marketing department. So that we will get it as a output here. Marketing. Then the next record is the David. But David don't have any department ID assigned. It is null. So in this case, what will happen? So if a row in one table has no match in the other, the result will contain as the null for the unmatched record. So we don't have any matching department ID here. It is considered as the null. It is null only for the David. So we will not get any matching record here. David, the department name will come as the null. So basically, if row in one table has no match record in the other table, the result will contain as the null. If you see here, now the employee records, all the records are completed. Now let's move to the department table. Here if you see 10 HR is already here covered. HR department we already covered. Then IT department is also already covered. Marketing is also already covered. Then for the David, they don't have the department, so it's fine. The next is the sales department, which belongs to department ID 40. But we don't have any employee record who belongs to the department ID 40. So here the employee name will come as the null. As we discussed, there is a no matching record, so it will come as the null and the department name will come as the sales. So this is the output we are expecting when we apply the full outer join. Okay. So when we can use the full outer join. So in this case, from the output, you will understand when you want to see a complete data set from both the tables, match or unmatched records. In that case, you can use the full outer join. So let's see how we can write the query for this one. So for the full outer join, first I will write the simple select query. Select star from employees. So here we want the two column. First is the name, employee name, so which belongs to the table employees. So table name dot column name, so here you will get all the suggestion. So we have three column: department id, employee id and name. We want the name. Then you can mention as much column you want. So next column I want is from the department table, which is the department name, right? So I want these two columns in the output. So I have mentioned table name dot column name here. So from employees, now we need to write the join name. So the join name is the full outer join. And we are joining this to the table departments. So we need to write that name here. After that, we need to put the condition of connecting both the common column or the connected column or the selected column. So for that, we need to write on, and the first table is the employees table. From the employees table, we want the department ID, which is the common column, equal to department table. So for the departments, and the common column is the department ID. So this is the common column between both the table employees and the department. And this is our final query. Before we execute this, let me explain you again. So basically, I have written simple select query here. These two columns I want in the output. First one is the employee name from the employee table, and the second one is the department name from the department table. I have connected using the full outer join to the department table, and we have put the condition that I want to connect these two common columns, which is the department ID from both the table employees and the department. So let's execute this one and let's see what exactly the output we are getting. So let's compare this with output whatever we discuss. So here you can see. So first is the Alice HR. Then the second is the Bob IT. Third is the Charlie Marketing. Then the fourth is the David Null and Null Sales. These are the output we have discussed as well, how this output is coming, and this is coming as expected. So the query is working as a expected. So basically full outer join return all the rows from both the table. If a row in one table has a no match in the other, the result will contain the null, as you can see here for the unmatched columns. And the syntax you can understand from here, but let me write for you. If anyone asks you the syntax, you can explain this for the full outer join. So the first thing is the select, then table 1 dot column 1 comma table 2 dot column 2, and you can mention as many column as you want. We are taking this from the table 1 and we are connecting this with the table 2. So we are using the full outer join here. This is the table 2. And then we are using the on condition where the table 1 common column 1, or we can mention common column, is equal to table 2 dot common column. So basically we are connecting common column here. So this is the output we will get when we use the full outer join. So in MySQL, it doesn't support the full outer join directly. So in that case, you can use the union of the left join and the right join. So it will get the same output as the full outer join. So that's it for the today, guys. If you have any question related to the full outer join, you can put down that in the comment section. I will try to respond them as soon as possible. If this video is useful for you, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will see you in the next video, which is going to be a last video from this join session, which is the self join. And we will discuss some of the examples related to the self join and how exactly it works. So that's it for the today, guys. Thank you for watching this video till the end and have a nice day.